excited about this smart toaster. I cannot wait to get into it. So here it is outside of the box. Nice stainless steel. Really nice design. The touchscreen is on the front. Let's get this thing plugged in and see how it does. All right, get it plugged in, Mo. All right, there we go. Here is the touch screen. As you can see, the lightly toasted is flashing, white bread is flashing. You can select whatever you want to toast, whether that is, if you want it a level 2, a level 3. As far as how dark you want it toasted, you can toast waffles, you can toast muffins, you can do bagels, so much to choose from. So I'm really excited about this. You would just push the lever down once you put it in and it will pop up once it is done. But what I really want to do is give it a go. All right, so I'm going to put it on level 2. We're doing regular white bread and let's get it in there and let's see how this goes. All right, put me some, I can't believe it's not butter on there. And here we go. So it will take 1 minute and 48 seconds. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here's our toast. Let's see how toasted it is. Oh, that is perfect. Just the way I like it. Time to put a little jelly on it and call it a day. All right, guys. So hopefully this review was helpful and I would definitely recommend the smart toaster. Link it in the bottom.